On the sunlit fields, the farm faces daily tests from weather to workloads, yet the scent of fresh hay still fuels hope. Keepers of livestock prioritize gentle handling, clean water, and steady routines because trust translates into healthier animals and calmer barns. Crops demand patient timing, careful soil care, and adapting to seasons, with compost, cover crops, and smart irrigation shaping yields. The farm's heartbeat is its community, from neighbors trading tools to mentors sharing advice that keeps traditions thriving. Balancing grit with gratitude, the hard truths coexist with quiet beauty, proving farming can nurture purpose, resilience, and joy.